Hello, it's me. Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. And I would love to have you here. In today's video, I will share with you how to save 100,000 Naira even if you are on a small income. Yes, you heard that right. It is possible to save 100,000 even if you're earning less than 300K per month. This has been done. Other people have done it and you can do it too. This video is very important because it's not just about saving money, but also about being wise with your finances no matter how little it is. So if you are ready to learn how to save up to 100,000 Naira even on a small income, make sure to watch this video till the end. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed watching it, share it with your friends and family who need to see it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It's absolutely free and I would love to have you here. Now let's get started. The first step to saving 100,000 Naira, even on a small income, is to track your expenses. To achieve this, you need to monitor where your money is going every month. You need to understand what you are spending your money on. And tracking your expenses is the only way to know where your money is going. It helps you to be more aware of your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. There are various ways to track your expenses. Use a spreadsheet, use a budgeting app, or use the envelope method. What works for me is using a budgeting app. I've tried almost everything out there, and so far it has worked perfectly for me. The second step to saving 100,000 even on a small income is to create a budget. After tracking your expenses, you need to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money each month. It helps you to allocate your money to your most important needs and wants. Creating a budget doesn't mean that you're restricting yourself from enjoying your life. Rather, it helps you to make conscious decisions about how you spend your money so that you can reach your financial goals. When creating your budget, make sure to include all of your income sources and all of your expenses. Also, make sure that your budget is realistic and sustainable. Don't set unrealistic expectations for yourself. Rather, set achievable goals that you can maintain over time. One thing I love about my budget is that it's simple and easy to follow. Now let us talk about some of the things that you can do to save 100,000 even on a small income. Number 1, reduce your housing costs. Your housing costs are probably your biggest monthly expenses. They take up a significant portion of your income, and even cutting back on this by just a little bit can make a huge difference in your savings. You can start by looking for ways to reduce your utility bills. These include electricity, water, and gas bills. You can do this by turning off lights when you leave a room, fixing leaky taps, using energy-efficient appliances, etc. You can also negotiate your rent with your landlord. If you've been a good tenant, paying your rent on time, and taking good care of the property, your landlord may be willing to negotiate a lower rent with you. In addition, you can consider getting a roommate to share your housing costs. This can help you to significantly reduce your housing costs and free up more of your income for saving or investing. Number 2, reduce your transportation costs. Transportation is another area where you can easily cut back. Instead of owning multiple cars, consider downsizing to one car or getting rid of a car altogether. If you live in an area where it's possible to walk, cycle, or take public transportation, try to use these options as much as possible. They are usually much cheaper than driving a car. You can also shop around for car insurance to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. No. 3, reduce your food costs. Food is another area where you can easily cut back. Start by planning your meals ahead of time. This will help you to avoid impulsive purchases at the grocery store. Make a list of the ingredients you need and stick to it. You can also cook at home more often instead of eating out. Eating out is usually much more expensive than cooking at home. And your lines also be able to control the ingredients and the portion sizes when you cook at home. In addition, you can consider growing your own herbs and vegetables. This can help you to save money and also add fresh flavor to your meals. Number 4, reduce your clothing costs. Clothing is another area where many people spend a lot of money. Start by decluttering your closet and getting rid of clothes that you don't wear anymore. You can sell or donate these clothes instead of just throwing them away. You can also shop at thrift stores for gently used clothes that are in good condition. Thrift stores usually have a wide variety of clothes to choose from at very affordable prices. And finally, avoid impulse purchases when it comes to clothing. Ask yourself whether you really need the item before you buy it. Number 5, reduce your entertainment costs. Entertainment is another area where you can easily cut back. Instead of going to expensive restaurants and clubs, consider having a picnic in the park or having a potluck dinner with friends. You can also look for free or low-cost entertainment options in your community, such as concerts in the park or free museum days. In addition, you can consider negotiating your gym membership down. If you've been a loyal customer, your gym may be willing to give you a discount. Number 6, reduce your personal care costs. Personal care is another area where you can cut back without sacrificing quality. You can start by grooming at home. This can save you money on haircuts and other grooming services. You can also consider DIY beauty treatments. There are many tutorials available online for doing things like manicures and pedicures at home. You can also shop around for personal care services to make sure you're getting the best deals possible. Finally, number 7, consider getting a side hustle. A side hustle is a great way to earn extra income without committing to a second job. There are many different side hustles that you can choose from, such as freelancing, consulting, or starting a small business. A side hustle can help you to increase your income and save more money. With extra income, you can also use it to pay off debt, invest in your education, or start a business. So there you have it, 7 tips on how to save $100,000 even on a small income. If you implement these tips into your life, you'll be surprised at how much money you can save. Remember that saving money doesn't mean that you have to restrict yourself from enjoying your life. Rather, it helps you to make conscious decisions about how you spend your money so that you can reach your financial goals. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It's absolutely free and I would love to have you here. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I will try my best to respond to as many comments as possible. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!